Toyota 2002. In this video we're gonna replace AC compressor and AC condenser. Start by removing a bunch of 10mm bolts. Once in a while you lose one or two. There you go. By the way, make sure you don't have any freon in the system before you start working on it. As you can see, it's zero. Now we're gonna remove two connectors, one here and one there, and both of them seem to be 10mm. Very rusty. This one looks much better. Let's also remove those. There's one more right here. So those bolts are out. Now we're gonna try to remove those two lines. So it was easier to do it from here. Now we're gonna do the same thing for the bottom one. Okay, it's out. Now I should be able to just slide out this. Might be tempting to throw it in the ground, but we might need some of those parts. We're gonna try to remove as little amount of items as possible. By us removing condenser, we'll be able to move this radiator a little bit further. So hopefully we'll have enough room to remove compressor without removing alternator. But first we're gonna remove serpentine belt. Okay, to release the tension, I think it's, could be wrong, but I think it's 19mm. Okay, it's out. Okay, belt is off. Okay, let's remove this connector. So electrical connector is out. Now we're gonna remove, I think it's two 10mm bolts. I'll need extensions, but to remove high and low sides. Bolts are out. Now we're gonna wiggle it and take it out. Here's one. Here's the other one. Well, I'm gonna work on this. I'm gonna put painter's tape on here just to make sure nothing gets in the lines. Okay, there are 4 bolts, 12mm. I'm gonna start by removing the ones at the bottom. Last one. Okay, let's see if you'll be able to pull it out. So this one's definitely seized because you can't even turn it at all. This one's from Honda Ridgeline, used with other issues, but as you can see, you can rotate this one around. This one you can't whatsoever. Here's the replacement, and you can rotate this one. With a screwdriver, prop this up. See if you'll be able to loosen this. We're gonna put it here. So we got bracket here. We made sure there is enough oil. I took a little bit and I add this one because it has fluorescent dye just in case there'll be any leaks. And now we can put it back in the car. I'm gonna hand tighten 4 bolts. I got one right now. I'm gonna work on second. Okay, now I'm gonna secure all 4 of them. I don't think quarter matter, but I'll do top left, bottom right, top right, bottom left. Last one, bottom left. We're gonna replace these O-rings. The new compressor comes with a green one, and green one's actually better. They last longer. And I'm gonna add some brake oil to it. And I'm gonna attach it to the high side. Let's try to secure these 10mm bolts that were included in the new compressor. So this one, new compressor didn't have O-ring for the low side. So I'm gonna look in my kit, see what we have. Okay, let's put this one with oil. Okay, let's put this one on. So now we're just gonna connect this back. Connect these two. Okay, we'll put serpentine belt back on. Double check everything, make sure everything's aligned. So this side is done. Now we're gonna work on putting condenser back on. Let's remove those. You might be surprised why there's some pressure, but it's a good thing because it means they put pressure in there so that you know there is no leak. Looks like we don't have any O-rings here, so we'll have to look through our kit again. Okay, let's put this in. I think it'll be better if we put lower one first, because we'll have more room this way. Very small one. Now let's work on this one. So all lines are secured. Put those nuts in here. Now I'm gonna go here. Now we can put this on top. So that's how you replace AC compressor and AC condenser. We don't have time today to recharge Freon, but we have enough oil, so only thing that this vehicle now needs is recharging the Freon. If you have any questions, let me know. Some tools, including parts like O-rings, gonna be in Amazon affiliates. If you enjoyed this video, click like. Thanks for watching. See you next time.